Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good taffy brittle. Very easy to make, very delicious. Some people might call it honeycomb taffy. You can call it what you like, but it's delicious anyway. The first things first, we're going to put in our sugar, 2 cups of sugar. And then you want to put in your water. And then we want to put in a half a cup of light corn syrup. We gotta turn this on. We want to combine this all together real quick. You want to constantly have the thermometer, and you want it to say 300, which it ain't 300 yet. I'll kind of stir this a little bit. Don't over stir, but you want to stir it until it's incorporated together. Okay, we're right on the point. And so this in there, a tablespoon of baking soda, and you just want to stir this very well. Be very careful with it because it's going to foam up. You need it. Okay, we're gonna let this set. It's been setting for a good while, and I kind of sped it up, so I put it in the freezer for a little bit to warm up. Anyways, the best way that I can say is to break this up, because listen to that. Very hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drop it like that. Now look to the inside of that. Look at that. And the best part is, listen to this. Oh my God, that's so good. That is very delicious. Look at that. Look at that delicious looking brittle. Oh, that is so nice. Anyways, listen to this one more time. Look at that. Okay. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.